Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are in a super cozy cabin in Idaho and it's been a really fun time so far. I'm going to show you a bit of what we've been doing so far, and then we're going to come back here and I'm going to show you what I carefully picked out for my Mime wardrobe to bring with me on the trip. Okay, we're back. So let me just first start with what I'm wearing right now. It is a Tilly and the Buttons Freya top, and of course I added the ruffle. You guys have probably seen this top before. I made it a long time ago. It's made out of cotton jersey, so of course I have to wear merino wool underneath. Otherwise I would never make it in this cold climate. But I did bring it as one of my layers. Since it's not that warm, I do plan on wearing this fleece sweater over it today. Which is kind of a big thing to bring, but it's very warm. It's very wide, as you can see. It's a pattern from Digital Pattern Library, and I can't quite remember the name of the sweater, but I will go and find it for you. But it basically has a tie that wraps around the front and then wraps around the back and then goes back into the front and ties. So it really cinches in at the waist, so it ends up being really cute. And the sleeves are pretty cute. They're kind of wide, and then it has like a little cuff with like kind of a little pleat, if you see there. So I brought that. I'm gonna wear that over this, and you'll be able to see this part, and it'll be so cute. So that was my plan for that. Also, the pants I'm wearing are not Mime. They're just kind of like camping, like outdoor pants that fit really well over long johns and are a little bit stretchy. And I got them from like an outdoor store. So I decided that would be better than a pair of jeans. Next is a new sweater that I'm going to be wearing and posting and taking pictures of soon. I will be talking about it in another video, but it is the Mika Swat shirt, and of course I added a little bit of flavor to it. And it's really cute. It's made out of CU at 6 fabric. I plan on wearing that over, because that's just like a cotton French terry. So I plan on wearing it over this Monroe turtleneck that is made out of merino wool from Sewing Studio and is really cozy and really warm. And then I'm still gonna wear long johns, like merino wool long johns under this, and my coat, which of course I'm not showing you, but I do have a ski jacket that I obviously wear because this morning it was, let's see, 9 degrees Fahrenheit when we woke up, so definitely need a lot of layers. So next, I also have this Freya out of merino wool from We Are the Fabric Store online, and it's exactly the same as my top basically, except I made the ruffles a little bit longer, and I love it so much, and it's a very warm layer. I wore it yesterday to go skiing, and I wore merino wool long underwear underneath, and I wore this on top, and then I wore the ski jacket on top of that, and I was plenty warm. But of course it was more of in the 30s Fahrenheit yesterday, so but that was really all I needed. So I brought that, which I wore that by itself, but I plan on wearing it again because we have washer and dryer with this over it, because this is just some flannel, but it's very lightweight. It's a new top that I made. It is the Fibremood Honey, and it's got like a little bit of a poof sleeve with a tie. Very cute. It buttons up. Let me just kind of button a little bit of the top so that you guys can see how it sits. Beautiful ruffle collar, a little bit gathered in the back. It's very, very, very cute. I love it so much. I will be posting that soon and taking a picture soon. This is Victory Patterns Francis shirt. Basically, it's just a turtleneck. I made it with a little bit of like a 3/4 sleeve. And it's so cute. It's just cotton jersey from Blackbird Fabrics, so I definitely had to wear something underneath it and something over it. But I love having cute layers even if they don't necessarily have a function. Non-me made workout clothes here. We don't really need to go through that because I did bring my yoga mat and I have been working out because that's part of my vacation and relaxation. I brought this book, finished it. It's Mount Vernon Love Story, and I started another book. Definitely brought warm socks, not me made, because I'm not quite good enough at knitting to make wool socks, but I'm getting there. These are me made pajamas that I wore. I have another pair of pajamas, but they're in the wash. And then leftover yarn, I mean not leftover yarn, extra yarn for a project that I'm working on in case I actually get far enough to need this yarn. And then of course I have ski pants and some granola bars from home, tennis shoes to work out, and just some hats and things like that. I'm knitting a hat right now, but these are just merino wool hats. And yeah, like my journal and things like that, and that's all I brought. So I really like it. I think it's enough for the week, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my suitcase closet. This cabin is really lovely and we're having such a great time. I hope you guys are having a good day and a good week. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell to be notified when I have another video. I do a lot of sewing videos, a lot of what I've made, what I plan on making, fabric hauls, things like that. Also, hit the like button down below if you like it. It'll help other people find the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I will leave you with a few more pictures and videos of our trip, and I hope you have a great week. Okay, bye!